Having another beautiful day today. Yesterday was pretty nice too. Not a lot of sun though. This is nice. Though it looks like we might have a little chance of rain. We are headed out to get a sheet of expanded steel so I can make the grip on the top of my step, which is also the cover for that 15-gallon diesel tank. The place I usually get steel from is, well, it's Monday today, and last Monday I ordered a 4x4 sheet of expanded steel, and they told me sometime this week. It is now a week later, and I called them again, and they're saying again sometime this week. So I'm just gonna go through some other places. Too many nice days getting wasted waiting on the steels. And it's a little bit cheaper too. I have to buy a full sheet though. I gotta buy a full 4x8 sheet here. They won't cut it, which is fine. I could probably use it somewhere else, I'm sure. Use the extra somewhere else. The place that was going to cut me a 4x4 sheet was asking 84. This place wants 130 for a full sheet. So we're going to get it somewhere else. Going on a nice little drive today. Beautiful scenery. I don't come out this way too often, so this is pretty nice. Running a little better than he usually does. It seems like that B12 actually made some difference. Still a slight sputter every once in a while, but not like it was doing. Not as bad as it was doing it. 3/4 inch raised. And I think he said 9 gauge. Alright, got the expanded steel. Looks like exactly what I was looking for. Something nice and chunky to kind of give some rigidity to that step. Nice and clean too. All their steel's really real nice quality coming out of there. I forgot how much I like that store. They got a bunch. Need to come back there when I have a little extra money. Gives me some good gloves. It's like $22 for a good pair of steelworking gloves, which I really want. They look like really good quality. I think they're even made in USA, so that's good. Get these Harbor Freight, they're really cheap, but the sparks from grinding always burns the threads on them and they fall apart. So this pair, I actually smeared silicone caulking on all the threads, and it actually seems to be working to hold it together, but still pretty thin material. And yeah, they got some nice looking equipment there. Safety gear. That's where I bought my current Stinger, or my whip for my MiG. It was made in USA whip, really good quality, really happy with it. Gonna make sure to grab another one when that wears out. If it wears out, I think you can actually replace liners in these. Never actually worn out a whip, but the last one got kind of beat up. The whip that came with the MiG. It's pretty short, poor quality. The new one from the steel place was nice and long and heavy duty. Really happy with it. So, good stuff there. Good quality stuff. Let's head on back. I'm actually taking a detour to go stop at a Walmart. I need some shampoo and maybe some food. Boy, that sun is nice though. Loving it. Mall. Be kind of cool to check out. Might just have to do that. I need to make a little list. There's a few things I'd like to do here in Oregon before I set sail. I mean, I'll be back at some point, but I want to do a couple of things before I leave. One thing I'd like to show you guys is this cool road I found going to a massive Harbor Freight in Salem. I'd like to show you that Harbor Freight too. I've never seen such a big Harbor Freight. Big old store. But anyway, there's this really beautiful country road going out of Salem, taking the back roads instead of the freeway. Be kind of need to see that again. wait to put some work into this truck. I love this truck. Alright, finally remember to stop at Wilco and grab me another one of these. I grabbed one already. I thought one hinge would be enough for what I'm building, but then I thought two would be a little more appropriate, so it's like $5 for that. Weldable hinge there. I don't know if it's called a weldable hinge, but that's what I'm gonna do with it. Hinge without holes. I don't know what else you'd use that for. Drill your own holes or something. Anyway, I'm gonna use 2 of those for the step. So I gotta flip it up and fill up the diesel tank. Second again. Yeah, got quite a few things to do on Rusty, starting with the transmission leak and get some more of this stuff in there. Winco should have shampoo. Here's a camper trailer. Truck. Boy, there's a nice little Chevy right there. I like that. I like that a lot. I like the bed cover and the wheels. That looks nice. All right, eating good lately. Potatoes and fish, or potatoes and eggs in the morning. Fish and rice for lunch, or salads for lunch, and then fish and rice for dinner. Cut out all bread, refined flour, and refined sugar. I was even letting myself have fruit. An apple a day was actually kind of nice. I didn't feel any sugar spikes or have any sugar crashes afterwards. But then I had a couple bananas, and that gave me a bad sugar crash and headache. So I think I'm gonna go back to cutting out fruit and just see how I am with that. Sugar always messes with my ADHD and makes me a little more, have a little bigger problem with racing thoughts and staying focused when I'm eating sugar, so I try to keep it out of my diet. So we'll skip on fruit this time, but I was enjoying some fruit for a little while there. Still got a mango to eat, but yeah, I think I'm gonna cut out fruit and just stick with the veggies. Got carrots, cauliflower, broccoli, ranch. Even got peppers this time. I never get peppers. Got 3 different types of bell peppers. Red, green, and orange. Cut those up, put those in a salad. Got some celery. This is really good. I like this iceberg garden mix. Couple things of eggs, just yeah, eating good lately. Cutting out the flour, or refined stuff. Been feeling good. Yeah, it's beautiful over there. Alright, you guys, got some good food and new recipes to share with you. Been trying out different things, so next time we do cooking videos, I'll have a new menu to share. Whole new list of things to try. Also swung by the post office and got the gear for fixing that transmission leak. And you can finish up that video. That'll probably be coming up next. And we got this expanded raised steel for making my steps. Looks like that'll be perfect. Just what I was looking for. Whole sheet of it, but at least I was able to pick that up right away. Maybe I'll have enough left over to do. I was thinking about doing like a expanded steel cage for this. It's gonna rain tomorrow, so I'll have to wait a few days for the next dry set of days and then get back to welding on that step. We'll get that next RV rebuild coming. We got a few other things coming up as well. Stay tuned, everybody. See you in the next video.